In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your contacts are not showing up on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then you want to select the option at the top. So if you have to sign into your Apple account, make sure you go ahead and sign in here. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and then select your name over here and select the contact option and make sure that is turned on. You may also want to go into the Contacts app itself and then go underneath the Accounts tab and confirm that iCloud is the default account or that contacts are being synced from another account that you use. And then once you've done that, you may want to restart your whole MacBook device, and then hopefully the issue should be rectified. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.